So I thought I'd comment on getting this stupid stretch belt onto the Mazda. So some people say wrap zip ties around the crank pulley and the belt to bring it around. That seemed like a lot of work. Saw another video that said and I'm not going to take off this belt again, because to get to this point was a bitch. They said just put the belt on partially and walk it around the crank pulley. That was not working for me. It was not gripping. It would slide every time. So what I did, this is a bike tire lever. I position it up top. To put some tension on the belt. And when I rotate the crank, it would bring this around with the belt, putting tension on the belt, and it walked it right around. So instead of struggling for a half hour trying to get it walk around on its own, this did it in about 2 minutes. Hope you have better luck.